Starting with the top, we have a lot of ventilation here with our removable magnetic mesh cover. Magnets just snap right on. You can see with it removed all the venting we have here and our radiator mount with the screws attached. Moving along to the front panel, we have about 90% tempered glass, and there is a plastic cover to remove, protecting it. And then at the bottom, we have some mesh venting here with two of our feet. You can get a feel for the gap between the feet if you were going to set this on carpet. There still should be some breathability with how tall the legs are. Underneath, we have our 4 feet here and another removable mesh screen. This one's not magnetic though, revealing our power supply fan down below, keeping everything nice and cool there. But that just snaps right back on as well. Looking at the back of the case, this is the top, this is the bottom. Here's our exhaust fan, Wi-Fi 7, 9 USB Type A ports, 2 Type C ports, 2.5 gig LAN, GPU, extra expansion slots, then our power supply down at the bottom with an on and off switch, and a 0 fan mode control, also on and off switch there, and our typical power plug. Taking cues from the front panel, we have tempered glass along the side, some venting down at the bottom, and a screen here that displays temperature. So CPU, GPU, and ambient temps. We have a Type A port and a Type C port for USB, combo mic jack. Now let's go ahead, let's pop this panel off. It's just this little tab at the top, and you just gently kind of pull it away. With the panel removed, take a look at this build. Everything is super clean. Count me impressed. Massive GPU. Love the 59 and the gold aesthetic that ZOTAC has on this particular model. 6 fans in here. 3 up at the top on the AIO have RGB on the blades. The other 3 have it along the sides. We do have a couple of plastic tabs to remove on those fans. Some extra protection. Same with the CPU cover. And I believe on the motherboard as well. So just take a look at your system and peel off the plastic as needed. But everything's prim, proper, and super tidy. Let's see if that holds true for the backside as well. With the panel on, you'll notice ventilation along the side for those fans. To remove this panel, we have 2 screws that we can undo, and then it'll just gently slide right out. And take a look at that. Super clean, very prim and proper here. Really nice design. We have extra expansion for 2 2.5-inch drives, 1 3.5-inch drive down here. You can see our 80 plus gold certified power supply, 1300 watts. That looks great. Super clean. And here's our first boot. Take a look at this. Really love the color scheme here. Those fans look really sleek and sharp. They perfectly accent and match our 5090 here, which is really spun up and revved up already. We got 1 fan moving. I believe that's due to the dual BIOS that it has right there, that little button. Our display's all set up, so we can cycle through different temps, and you can configure that via software too, and you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Same with the display for the CPU cooler, the RGB. Everything looks really, really nice. With the studio lights off, I wanted you to see the glow of the fans right here from the top and the fans on the side. And our GPU, everything looks really nice. Bright, vibrant, and it casts a good glow in this case. I mean, we also have to appreciate that GPU. So cool. It has that infinity mirror design, whatever you want to call it. That looks really nice. Super cool. Really a great looking GPU.